traditional college course, you have to invest that much amount of days, or let's say years. So this is easy because it is, it's on the go, you're learning, you're interacting, live sessions are there. So it's more easy, it's more, it fits in better in the life. Yeah. Jab tak college mein you are, your acquaintances. Once you go out of college, you lose touch, all those things happens. But online, we have a Bangalore group. We talk on that forum as well. First time I'm meeting the guys over here, they're all so warm, so helpful, and you get a hands-on help with them since you're integrated into the group. So that is different. Earlier I was not integrated into the business, so when I spoke earlier, we have a business, my husband and I, we both run it together. So earlier I was not integrated, I was just into the content part of it. Now I take care of the marketing as well. I take care of how much, the leads have been generated, how much work has been converted to actual client and things like that. I used to take report from Facebook and then give it back to my client that this is how we've performed. But now I analyze it, how well we did or how bad we performed. So there are few things. I mean, although I am a digital marketer, although I run few social media accounts for our clients, there is always something that you can learn from everywhere.